I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up transaction alerts on your PNC account, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the PNC website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to alerts. Once logged in, find the customer service or settings menu and look for the alerts option. This is where you can manage your alert preferences. Step 3. Choose alert types. In the alerts section, you'll see various types of alerts you can enable. Select transaction alerts to receive notifications for specific transactions. Step 4. Set your preferences. Customize your alert preferences by selecting the types of transactions you want to be notified about, such as purchases over a certain amount or international transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After setting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. You might need to confirm your selections through a pop-up window. Remember to check your email or phone settings to ensure you receive these alerts. Happy banking!